When you're ready, perhaps in 2 to 80 years, you will suddenly feel an instinct from deep inside of you, we don't know why, to leave this pond and journey hundreds of miles back to the Sargasso Sea. As you journey, you will experience other feelings from a place even deeper inside of you, and those feelings will turn into sexual organs. They could be male or female, so just be prepared for anything. After several months of swimming on an empty stomach, you will arrive at the Sargasso Sea, and there you will at last have sex. Right next to hundreds of other eels also having sex. And then finally, once you've experienced the unimaginable ecstasy of an electrifying eel orgasm, you will die.
So you're saying you're a virgin?
This isn't about me.